Introducing Crownplast Waterproof Skimcoat, a premium white cement-based skim coat engineered for smooth, water-resistant, and anti-efflorescent finishes. It bonds firmly to interior and exterior surfaces, delivering reliable moisture resistance. More than a skim coat, it's waterproof. In areas where moisture, efflorescence, and surface imperfections are common challenges, Crownplast Waterproof Skimcoat provides reliable protection and performance. Its water repellent and anti-efflorescent properties help prevent damp-related defects, while its superior adhesion and anti-choking performance ensure durability. With higher coverage, brilliant whiteness, and a smooth aesthetic finish, it delivers both protection and professional results. All the features are great, but how does it perform on the job? Let's hear about the painter's experience.
Very simple, easy, and when we mix it, it comes with a very fine material for application. The spreading capacity was good, and it covers an extra coverage compared to normal skin coat. So I recommend it.
Crownplast Waterproof Skimcoat dries quickly within 45 to 1 hour, and within 4 to 6 hours you can sun, and it's easy to sun.
It is taking a little time to dry, like about an hour, and it is smooth. It gives a very smooth finish after sanding with the best grit, and it is easy in sanding itself.
It is water resistant and water does not penetrate through it.
It is not absorbing moisture, and it is offering a block against moisture migration, that giving a treatment or a solution to secondary efflorescence.
By touch after sanding, you feel that it is very, very smooth with a velvet, almost like touch of a velvet, meaning that it's a very, very good skimming product, and this is the way to go. I would really and highly recommend my fellow foodies, fellow contractors, and our dearest and esteemed clients to embrace this skimming product. If you like it, crown it. Paka rangi, pata pesa, mara moja.